In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can open a PDF document in Microsoft Word. So to achieve this, select File, browse for the PDF document that you want to open and then select it. And that's basically it. Now to confirm that it is in the same format as the PDF, we're going to open the PDF as well. So this is the PDF, and as you can see, it looks just like in the Word document. Now in some cases, if you're not getting the format correct, what you need to do is convert the PDF document to a Word document. Now to achieve this, you can use seda.pdf, right? So on the website, you're going to go under Tools, and under the Convert from PDF section, select PDF to Word. Upload your file, then open the document, choose an option, right? I'm going to select Keep Layout, and then select Download. And here, I just need to choose where I want to download the document. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.